Hey everyone, welcome to Balor's channel. Today I'll show how to create fog in Roblox Studio. Let's open Roblox Studio. As we can see, we have an atmosphere. Now let's close the light tab and go to atmosphere. Here we have two tabs, density and offset. Before that, we can adjust the brightness of the world, which determines how bright or dark our fog will be. This will increase brightness and this will decrease it. So it'll be much darker now. We can enter -2 here, for example. Next, we need these two sliders that will create the fog effect. The higher it is, the stronger the fog effect. There's also offset, which makes it less or more deep. So if we lower it, the fog becomes softer and more pleasant to the eye. There's also a color picker. Yes, we can set it. And now it'll have a slightly different shade. There, that's all for now. This was Balor. Bye everyone.